Hi everybody. Okay, a new project again, and we have more waves. These are brainwave. Okay, supposed to be brainwave look like, and we have the frequency next to it, and obviously as we talk they do move. We can also adjust them. You can make it think like that. Hello, 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 hello. Hello. Okay, that's too much. Let's leave it like that. Okay, so here we are. We have brainwave look like type, and this is a quite difficult, yeah. Let's have a look at the code quickly. It's a Parlin brainwave. Same principle, using Parlin mathematical algorithm. And let's put the extension here. Okay, this the code is the same. It's, you know, the pins are the same for the previous one, so you can watch the previous video. You can see that the OLEDs SDS7 and ACL6, that's I2C. Okay, so the rest is, this is the initialization of the OLED, the analog sensor. This is the sensor, initialization of the sensor. Okay, well, it's analog, but it's using ADC, which is analog to digital converter. Okay, and here it's the maps. This is the map. This is the ADC, because obviously the ESP32 is has 10 to 12 bit. It's not an 8-bit architecture. It's between 10 and 12 bit architecture. So the ADC needs to use 4095. Okay, so you can change this one 4 and 30 to make it you know, smoother or larger, various, you know, here you can adjust the frequency, all right, so on. And here's a mathematical. This is a screen that shows the display the wave. Okay, the cognitive boost, which is based on the formulation of the sound from the sound sensor. Okay, so there we are, the frequency megahertz, and Parlin wave active. Okay, so there we are, and this is very interesting. I think it might look nothing fancy, but it is actually very fancy. And it's what the brainwave look like. There we are, frequency in megahertz. All right, I think we cover everything. You can play around adjusting it, honestly. You can just play around adjusting it. Now it goes, so I think it's dormant because it's not receiving, and you can see that the frequency doesn't move. Frequency max threshold 24. Yeah, it's not receiving information now from the sound sensor, so it's just moving like that. And when you receive information, it becomes active, and you can see it's moving left to right, and the frequency is also variation. Okay, and I've got an LED from onboard LED. But if you want, you can have a PWM LED that does exactly the same next to the wave while you talk. Okay? Thank you guys. I hope you like it and have a good day.